This batch is perfect. The texture and color are exactly what we want. Keep the line moving efficiently.
The transcriptions and captions are precise at.
Modern innovation in fur processing utilizes this advanced electrostatic field to extract every particle.
Make sure the barcodes match the manifest before they hit the belt.
Got it. This pallet is clear for staging.
The guard hair is excellent on this lot, very consistent.
Yes, but the density varies. We need to discuss the price point.
Have you seen the Sable collection yet?
It'd be perfect.
Please sample the luwak. It has distinct notes of caramel and chocolate.
Remarkable depth.
Documentation verified. This shipment is cleared.
Ensure the vacuum seal is perfect and the quality certificates are attached.
Yes, manager. All documents are in order for the shipment.
I've circled the indemnification clause on page 12. It contradicts the liability cap.
Right, let's reference the master agreement definitions.
These market trends necessitate stronger governance. As you can see on the slide, self-regulation is the key here.
I agree, but what about the implementation timeline?
Crane 22, bring that civet coffee container down slowly.
Roger that. Descending now.
ប្រកទុកឆានហាប់យើងជាសកាត់នៅឯបេងផាំយើងដាក់ខាដាក់រានឆៅយើងខាត់เขาไม่ดึกพรางขานคำอยากทำซึมกันงับ
Exam complete. Coat sleek, gums healthy, no issues detected. Administering vaccine lot 7B.
The key to handling both the civet and the mink is a firm, confident grip. Always support the torso and minimize stress during the examination.
The DNA analysis confirms the mink fur is authentic.
And the civet coffee panel is also verified. Excellent work.
Particulate count is slightly elevated near the exhaust pipe.
Water looks clear. Check the metals.
It's within range, but we should flag the emissions.
Relations, if we look at the luxury goods returns here, the trend is robust.
Agreed, but the capital market volatility could impact Q4.
All right, final case check before we head out. It's always a rush, but that's the documentary life.
From the farm to the runway and the plantation to your cup, these journeys highlight the intricate process behind luxury goods.
I need a price check on the fur commodities.
Okay. We're losing ground on the coffee. Move it.
Buy everything you can get on the luxury index.